Your team already writes everything in Confluence. With capable sites, one click publishes those pages to a real website. Your Confluence spaces become a fast, branded knowledge site instantly. Content stays exactly the way your team wrote them. Images and galleries stay crisp and sharp on every screen, from desktop to phone. Embed your Confluence tables straight into the page. No reformatting, no copy-paste. And over 20 native diagram types publish right alongside your content. Supports over 100 macros and integrations, making creating engaging content easy. Make it public, gate it with Atlassian login, or lock it behind a password. Run it on your own domain, with SSL and a global CDN handled for you. Keep editing in Confluence, preview on staging, publish when you're ready. Discover capable sites today to transform Confluence into a robust CMS.